Gayatri. Today in this video we are going to see the part 2 of the root word a or an, which means without. The words for today are analgesia, agonic, agraphia, alexia, ambrosia, amnesia, amnesty, amoral, amorphous, anemia. The first word for today is analgesia. Analgesia has 3 root words in it. An, which means without, alg. Alg is the first new root word in this session, which means pain. So the word alg, the root word alg means pain, plus ia, which means a noun ending. So the word means inability to feel the pain. The loss of ability to feel the pain. The word analgesia means the loss of ability to feel the pain. A means without, ad means pain, and ia is the noun suffix. So the word means the loss of ability to feel the pain. The next word is agonic. Agonic has 3 root words in it. A means without, gone. Gone is the second new root word, which means an angle. So the root word gone means angle, and the next thing IC is adjunctive suffix. So the word means not having or forming an angle. A shape which does not have an angle or does not form an angle is known as agonic. The next word for today is agraphia. Agraphia has 3 root words in it. A means without, and graph means to write. Graph is a third new root word which means to write. And ia is a noun ending, noun suffix. So the word is A means without, graph means to write, and ia is noun suffix. So the word means the loss of ability to write. The one who cannot write, one who does not know to write is known as that inability is known as agraphia. The next word for today is alexia. Alexia again has 3 root words in it. A means without, lex. Lex is the 4th new root word, which is to read. Lex means to read. So ia is a noun suffix. So the word alexia means the inability to read. One who cannot read, one who does not know to read. That inability is known as alexia. The next word for today is ambrosia. Ambrosia has 3 root words in it. A means without, bros. Bros actually comes like brotos. It is the 5th new root word, and brotos. So the next is ia, which is a noun suffix. The word means the word brotos. Brotos means mortal or death. Brotos means mortal or death. The word means a food of God that makes them immortal. Without death. So A is without, brotos means death. So without death. The food of God that makes them immortal. The next word is amnesia. Amnesia, you have heard this word many times in your studies. So amnesia has 3 root words in it. A means without, ni. Ni is a 6th new root word which means mind. So ia is again the noun suffix. So amnesia, the loss of memory. The one who loses his memory has the disease amnesia. So the loss of memory is known as amnesia. So So the next word is amnesty. Amnesty has two root words in it. A means without, nim. Ni we have already discussed here, which means mine. And sty. So plus ty. So the word means pardon, especially in political offences. The word is actually different from the root word. So the word means pardon, especially in political offences. Word for the day is amoral. Amoral has two root words in it. A means without. Moral means standards of behavior. Moral means standards of behavior. So A means without, moral. So without moral, not moral. The synonym of the word is immoral. So the word means not moral. The next word for today is amorphous. Amorphous again has three root words in it. A means without, morph. Morph means morph is the seventh new root word, and morph means form or structure. So morph means form, and ous is the adjective suffix. So amorphous means not having a correct form, not having a correct shape, or not having correct form. The next one, the last word for today is anemia. Anemia has three root words in it. A means without, and anem is the eighth new root word, which means blood condition. And ia is the noun ending, noun suffix. So the word means lack of blood, without blood. So A means without, anem means blood condition. So the word means lack of blood. So let me summarize this session. The first word for today was the analgesia, which means lack of ability to feel the pain. The next word is agonic, which means not having or not forming an angle. The next word is agraphia, which means loss of ability to write. The next word is alexia, which is inability to read. Inability to read is alexia. The next word is ambrosia, which is the fruit of God that makes them immoral. The next word is amnesia, which means loss of memory. A person who loses his memory, and that is amnesia. And amnesty means pardon in political offences, especially in political offences. The next word is amoral. Amoral means not moral, immoral. The synonym is immoral. The next word was amorphous, which means not having a definite shape or form. The last word was anemia, which means lack of blood. So guys, if you like this video, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel if you haven't done it yet. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the part 3 of the root word a or an, which means without. Thank you for watching.